This video provides you with a quick summary of the Guelph Housing Market Stats for the third quarter of 2019. The market continues to be strong across the board for all different housing types. So let's take a look at some of those key metrics to see how we've done in the third quarter relative to Q3 2018. Median sale price was $522,500, which represents an 8.9% increase. Median days on market was 18 days, which is 1 day lower than the same time period last year. And the total number of sales increased by 8.8%. The total number of listings also increased by 4.6%. As you can see, the housing market has maintained its strength throughout the summer. Sellers are still getting top dollar for their homes, and inventory levels are still quite low. The market continues to be a very strong seller's market, especially in the lower entry-level price points. Once we get into the higher price points, the market is much more balanced. Now, if you're thinking about buying or selling during the remainder of the year, or starting to plan for next year, please give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out.